In last video, I did a recording for live coding session to understand dynamic programming. This is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go and watch it because this is a continuation. So in part 1, I give an introduction like about the problem statement. I haven't fully shared everything, but I just wanted to tell how to think about the problem and understand that this is a dynamic programming problem. And in short, it was about getting the combination between different solutions and then picking the best solution. So in this video, I'll show how we write code to solve such problem. So I will not actually like write it on maybe dynamic programming in the beginning, and then we can develop the algorithm, like just write for loops, and then we develop the algorithm later. But let's see how it will go. This video, I haven't prepared for it, so we might find other thoughts when I'm working. For now, I'll just share what I did so far. So we use ChatGPT. We tell him give us all the combination or the solution for the problem, and then he give us those combination. I found that okay, combination 2 is the best. It will give us the best results, the results we need. This is the solution for our problem, and now we have to continue. So what are we going to do? We are going to write some code to do what ChatGPT did, but in code, using code. And I'm going to use JavaScript. I hope that you are familiar with JavaScript, but most of the programming languages, they are the same. You understand for loop, you understand if statement, then you understand what's assignment, like assigning a value or whatsoever, then most probably you will know what we are talking about here. And it will not be a problem for you. So let me open my IDE. I use WebStorm, but choose whatever you like if you would like to practice. Let me create a new project, and then I'm going to choose an empty project. We want a project which we are using Node.js with TypeScript, but for now, let me just choose like this project here, and we call it dynamic programming. Okay, and then we create the empty project. Okay, so maybe you are not familiar with JavaScript, but we'll just have to initiate that project. I'll just go here, and I'll pick here the path. It's just boring stuff, but I'll take you guys through it. Be patient with me. So if we say cd and then we go where the project is, then we will initiate using BNB. Initiate. This just will initialize the project, nothing serious. And then I like to use TypeScript so that we can figure out if there is a typing issue. TypeScript, it is kind of turning JavaScript to be Java, I will say. You have some types, you have objects. If you would like to create a class, so TypeScript is this process. Just have type check. It's better than using JavaScript alone, because JavaScript alone without TypeScript, it will create bug. I'm sure if you have experience, or at least you have some understanding of JavaScript, you will know what's TypeScript. But I will assume you don't know. Let's ask ChatGPT. So what is TypeScript and how is it different than JavaScript? Okay, you don't know something, just go and ask. Don't think too much. That's how I learn from ChatGPT. I always ask if I don't know something or I have any question, even if I know it and I'm not sure, I ask ChatGPT. So it's saying that TypeScript is a programming language. It's maintained by Microsoft, developed and maintained by Microsoft, blah, 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 a lot of things. I know them, so I will not go through them all, but this is the most important, static type check. It will have a static type check. You can create also interfaces and classes, and then you can, oh, sorry, my camera is low. I'll charge my phone later. Then we have, we have some tooling, compilation, and so on, a lot of things. I will not go through them. It's not our main topic here. It's not our main video. I'm just showing how you can use ChatGPT to learn such stuff. let's continue. So I will, how do I set up TypeScript on JavaScript project using BNBM? Enter. BNBM is a package management also. You can search what's BNBM, ask ChatGPT. He will tell you. So we will just initialize your project, do that, then okay, we have to install those packages, BNBM TypeScript. It's BNBM is just like Maven, it's just like Bibe on Python, Maven in Java, or Gradle in Java. It's like GoGet and Golang, package management basically. So Compose, PHP, it's all the same. So we will follow those steps. We will first, sorry, I will have to move this one so that I can open a terminal. Or, oh, sorry, we already have a terminal here. Why should I open a terminal? I usually use ID terminal, that's why I'm doing that. But just copy paste. This is not our main topic, so I'm just skipping the boring stuff. But that's how we will set up the project. And then we have to use NBX. Again, package management. NBX is package management. And then we have to do BNBM add type nodes. Okay, all those are packages to set up TypeScript. So now we have to have those scripts on my package.json is the configurations for TypeScript. Build and start. Well, that's good. Then saying BNBM run build, and here we go. Yes, we have a combination here. Oh, really? Okay, and then BNBM run start. Okay, we have an error. So what do I usually do is just copy that error, and we put it. Okay, all that. Yes, I do that. I'm very bad guy. I don't help ChatGPT. Yeah, just copy the error and paste it. Give it ChatGPT. He will help you. Okay, no, there is no JavaScript files on the project, so you have to ensure that there is .ts. So I will do the following. We have main, or it is app.ts, and then we have console.log. This is a test. That's all. Okay. ChatGPT gives a lot of information, really. So if you don't want to, if you feel it's wasting of time, skip it. If you want to get into details, read it. I am familiar with TypeScript, JavaScript, so I'm skipping because I know what's going on. But from your side, if you are new to programming, I highly advise you to read what ChatGPT is giving you information. Now it's building. Okay, now it's useful, by the way. I'm not skipping it because it's useless. I'm skipping it because I know. So don't skip. Don't skip. Okay. So now we have run the project, but it's saying that it's not. It doesn't see. Okay, because we have here we have node ds. Let me see here. What do we have? Okay, we haven't output the project on DST, basically the JavaScript files. So we can just, I mean, that's not a big deal. If we ask ChatGPT again, he will tell us like the configuration which you need. But I would like to add this one here, include and exclude, and then we see if this is going to work for us. So there's a lot of configurations here. He tells us ts the configuration JSON, which is this file here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because this is not going to solve the problem, by the way. I'm just giving you that. Okay, I copied what ChatGPT didn't try it out exactly to show that. Sometimes ChatGPT doesn't give you the right answer. You have to try, you have to search. Okay, so don't rely on it fully. You have to put your own input. It's not always giving you the right answer. This is what I wanted to show. Okay, I know because I'm familiar with TypeScript. I know he gave me the wrong answer, but I'm just telling you that, okay, this might be the problem. This might be, sorry, he might give you a wrong answer. See, seeing that in the combination option is here, down, you should add that one. I added, but it's not working. There's some other things which is not correct. Or that configuration doesn't fit me. Simple as that. Okay, so let me do that. Run again, get the errors, and we paste the error. Now we see, what are you saying to us? This message, blah, 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 indicates that Node.js is not able to locate the app.json file on the dist directory. Okay, what should we do? Combination doesn't produce output. This might be the error. Okay. If you are familiar with TypeScript, you will say, okay, I already produced the file, but okay, it looks like it's in the wrong place. You see here the path is not what TypeScript is looking for. I know the problem, but let's see what ChatGPT will tell us. Incorrect entry point specified. Sometimes ChatGPT is slow, which I really don't like. Sometimes it's really fast. Yeah, you have to choose the time which you'll choose. You'll use ChatGPT, so it speed up your process. Or use ChatGPT 3 if you don't need advanced features. But I don't like ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT 3 gave a lot of wrong answers. Like ChatGPT 4 is way far smarter, way far smarter. So I only choose use ChatGPT 3 if I don't have enough requests. You know, ChatGPT 4 have a limit of 50 requests. So sometimes I pass that limit and then I use ChatGPT 3 so that I can proceed with my work. And sometimes even I pause, I take a break until it resets the request number again. So, and there's some boring stuff now. Okay. He's telling me that you have to make sure that the output directory is in TypeScript. That is the real answer. Okay, Mohammed, you haven't worked through everything. Okay, fine, I haven't because I know the answer. I don't like to. This is not a ChatGPT. ChatGPT course specifically, but I would like to show how I use ChatGPT in work on solving real problems here. You always have to know the basics. You have to understand what's going on before you can really use GPT. I feel it is like a co-pilot. Like it's kind of, it will not give you the solution, but it's like the idea we are using. It's like Google also. You are using Google, but does Google solve your problems? Definitely no. Right now it's working. Right now I see the output. This is a test. Okay, cool. We did the setup for the project. There is one thing I would like to add here. It is, let me reload, and then we should remove this file now. And we should add testing. Okay, quickly. I will just very quickly. So we have app.spec.ts. This will be our testing here. Oh, okay. So let me delete that file because this is okay. We need to ask ChatGPT to set up testing. For testing, we are using Jest for TypeScript, JavaScript. So how I can set up Jest for testing? Okay, cool. So, so boring sometimes. Not all the time, but sometime. Okay, you have to wait for long now. Is it because of my internet? Not really. Not really. Okay, it depends on the load on ChatGPT servers. And, you know, the more users joining or using ChatGPT, the slower it become. I mean, I remember when I used ChatGPT 3 sometimes back, it was fast, not very fast, but fast. By time becomes slower and slower and slower until they start to, you know, you can subscribe now and become faster if you are subscribing. And then ChatGPT 4 come and it was a bit slower. Now it's getting more slower. Even now sometimes it is stuck. I have to refresh. Okay, let me try that. Yes, sure. Yeah. Okay, until then, let me create the test file. Okay, and then I call it app.spec.ts. Sometimes even you don't really need ChatGPT. You can just go here and say, okay, how to set up jest. Okay, getting started. You see how fast is it? But okay, now we are using BNBM. Okay, it's not a must use ChatGPT every time. You can use other resources. Okay, it's very much fine. ChatGPT sometimes is really annoying. So let's go through that together. So we have here to set up jest. It's still setting it up. To do live coding, you have to have good internet. Okay. Okay, let me see if I have an issue on the internet. Let me switch Wi-Fi. Sorry guys, this is not a prepared session, so have my excuse. You are working it together. If you are bored, forward. If you are not bored, stay with me. See how much us developers, software engineers suffering sometimes. Okay, it's very important to have internet. A good one. Oh, sorry, it's not loading. I think my internet is gone. I should cut this part from the video. Oh, sorry, I was checking the internet. Okay. ChatGPT is not helping. Sorry, have to send request again because of the internet. Yeah. When you have a live streaming, you should really have internet. Sorry, I'm new to YouTube. Okay, he's saying the same instructions here, so you have to do this setup and then you have to use this just and okay, fine. We have to go here and say just test. Okay, good, cool. And then you have to run bnb run test. Oh, look like it did not set up just as it should be. Okay. By the way, BNB is very good if you are using JavaScript. It's really fast. It's faster than Yarn, faster than BNB, and I feel okay. It gives the same features, but it's way far faster than the other packagement. Sorry, the other package management libraries. So what's next? We should add the TypeScript and jest, and then we should add. Oh, sorry, I get lost here. So bnb run test. Well, we have a failure. Okay, I will come back to that later. For a TypeScript project, we have to use extra packages. We'll set up those packages, and then you have to use TypeScript for jest, and then we have to use initialization for the project. Okay, let's do that. Then we have to adjust scripts. Okay, so that we have test.ts, spec.ts. Spec is mostly used like if we are JavaScript developer. We don't use usually .test. We use usually .spec. Okay. they are located under, just expected to find them by default under underscore tests folder. Okay, we run the test, and then we are here in trouble. We have bad testing. Okay. Then we have here to write a test. I just want to write the first test. Oh, sorry, we use describe, and then this is a test. Then we use it first test. Then we just have to have something like that. Expect, it will just write console first test. I'm just making sure the setup is working. It is working. I think that's enough for that video. We are going to continue next because we had a lot to do here. So let's stop here. It's about setting up the project. We'll continue next time. Thank you.